Handwriting classes. Today there was a parent-teachers meeting in Gattu Chinky's school, and Mummy had gone to school. Gattu Chinky were sitting at home and getting nervous that the teacher might complain about them.
Mummy is about to come now, Chinky. Yes, Gattu. What if ma'am complains about us forgetting our fair copy at home to Mummy? Yes, Chinky. Don't know what will happen.
Then Mummy comes home and she was looking very serious.
What happened, Mummy? Tell us. Is everything alright? Mummy, sorry, from now we will not forget to take fair copy with us.
What? So you people do this too?
No, nothing like that. Mummy, leave this. Tell me why you are not talking about anything. What did ma'am say?
Gattu, ma'am said that you study, but your handwriting is very bad. Ma'am was saying that she does not understand what you're writing in the exam sheet. And in such situation, how will she give you good marks?
Hearing this, Chinky starts laughing and says to Mummy,
Yes, Mummy. I think Gattu will become a doctor when he grows up. What? But why so, Chinky? Because no one understands the writing of doctors.
Gattu also starts laughing after hearing Chinky's words. But then Mummy tells both of them while scolding.
Chinky, this is nothing to laugh about. Now let Papa come. He will tell what to do next.
Gattu gets scared after hearing Papa's name. But now what could he do? Papa comes in the evening and Mummy tells him everything. Then we should get Gattu enrolled in handwriting classes. This will help him. And automatically his marks will also improve.
Yes, you're right. There is a handwriting class here only near our home.
Hearing this, Chinky says while teasing Gattu.
Oh wow, Gattu. You have to enjoy a lot in your new classes.
Chinky, he will not enjoy alone. Rather, you also have to enjoy with him.
What? What does this mean, Papa?
Chinky beta, this means that you will also go to handwriting classes with Gattu and will support him. You do not make many mistakes, but your writing speed is also slow, and this will only benefit you.
Oh no, Gattu. I also got stuck in this because of you. You are making fun of me, Chinky. Now you will enjoy.
Then next day in the evening, Mummy takes Gattu Chinky to handwriting classes.
Gattu Chinky, after the class you both come straight to home, okay?
Okay, Mummy.
Gattu Chinky see that there are some other children also sitting in the class like them. Then a ma'am comes to the class and gives a workbook to all the children.
Look children, in this workbook, there are exercises given for all of you. And first of all, I will tell you all about cursive letters. And then you will have to practice all of them, right here in the class itself. And yes, then I will also give you homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Then ma'am shows all the children the letters by writing on the board. And then gives everyone lots of exercises to do.
This is so much work. How will we do it? Gattu, because of you, I will also have to do this. Yes, you are my sister, right? Help me in this. Huh?
Gattu Chinky start doing exercises. And later, ma'am checks everyone's exercises.
Gattu, you need to work very hard. Do one thing. You will do 10 more pages of exercises as homework. And Chinky, you are not making many mistakes. So you only have to do 5 pages.
Oh, okay, ma'am. What is this? I will have to do double work. Gattu, improve your handwriting quickly. Otherwise, you will have to do double work like this only. Chinky, stop laughing. Otherwise... Otherwise what?
The class was over. So Chinky runs out of the class laughing and starts going home. And Gattu runs behind her. Even after reaching home, both of them were running behind each other.
Stop, Chinky. I will not leave you. If you have guts, then show it, Gattu.
Seeing them running here and there like this, Mummy says angrily,
What is all this, Gattu, Chinky? Just stop now.
As soon as Mummy shouts, both of them stop where they are.
You both must have got homework in class, right?
Yes, Mummy. I have 5 pages and Gattu has full 10 pages.
Okay. Then why are you both wasting your time? Now come on, go and complete your homework.
Okay, Mummy.
Then Gattu and Chinky both start doing their homework. After some time, Chinky finishes her homework. But Gattu was still doing his homework.
My homework is done and I am going to play. No, Chinky. Wait for a while. Let me finish too. Hey, Gattu. You still have a lot of work to do. You do it at your own pace. Till then, I will go and play. Huh. That's fine. You go. I will also finish it and come in just 10 minutes.
But when 10 minutes turn into 1 hour, nobody realizes.
Yay! Yes! Finally, everything is done. Now, I am also going to play.
But just as Gattu keeps his books and gets up to go out, Chinky comes back home after playing.
I am back home. Hey, Chinky, why did you come home? Have you come to drink water? I was also going to play. Let's go together. Hey, Gattu, it's dark outside and all the friends have left. Now, what will you do after going out? What? Oh no, but I couldn't even play. I spent all this time doing this homework. Sorry, Gattu, but what can we do now? Let's do one thing. You can play tomorrow.
Before Gattu could say anything, Mummy calls out to both of them from the kitchen.
Children, go wash your hands and face. Papa will be coming soon and dinner is also about to ready. Come and help me in the kitchen.
Okay, Mummy.
This is how today's day passes. And Gattu gets very tired. Next day, after returning from school and taking some rest, Gattu Chinky have to go to handwriting classes again. But just as he happily shows his homework to Ma'am, instead of praising him, says this to Gattu.
What is this?
What happened, ma'am? I have completed my homework.
But you have done it in such a hurry. Look how many mistakes you have made. This is a handwriting class, Gattu. And look how bad your handwriting is.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now whatever homework I will give you today, you will have to do it slowly. If you make such a mistakes again, you will be punished.
Okay, ma'am.
This is how it keeps on going. And Gattu has to do a lot of homework for the next 1 month. While doing all this, neither is he able to play much, nor is he able to watch the TV. Even his hands started hurting while writing so much. But because of practicing so much, his handwriting became good. After 1 month, when ma'am checks Gattu's homework, she says,
Gattu?
Yes, ma'am. Did I make mistakes again?
No. This time you have really written in such clear, beautiful and good handwriting. Without any mistake. Really, you have shown a lot of improvement in 1 month.
What? Really, ma'am?
Yes, very good, Gattu. Here you go. I am giving you stars in today's homework too.
And Chinky whispers to Gattu from the seat behind.
Oh wow, well done, Gattu. Finally, you won't have to do double homework than me. And we will be able to go and play together. Yes, Tinky, you are right. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.